Imagine this, a beautiful AI influencer posting videos every day, gaining followers, making money. But here's the twist, she's not real. No camera, no filming, no expensive setup, and the craziest part, Dante, anyone can create this in just a few minutes using free AI tools. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to build your own AI influencer step by step, so don't skip because the last step changes everything. First, we create our AI influencer's identity. I've already provided multiple ready-made prompts in the description, including male, female, and different influencer styles. All you need to do is pick any prompt you like and paste it into ChatGPT. Within seconds, it will generate a complete character for you with a name, personality, niche, and overall vibe. This step is super important because your entire AI influencer will be based on this identity. Next, we generate consistent images of our character. Use Leonardo AI to create multiple images with the same face and style. Make sure to use image guidance so your character looks the same in every image. Now let's turn those images into videos. You can use tools like DreamFace AI, Kling AI, or Luma Dream Machine to animate your character. Just upload your image, add a simple motion prompt, and within seconds your character will start moving, talking, and coming to life. This is where your AI influencer actually starts to feel real. Now it's time to add a voice. And now, the final step, open CapCut and combine everything, your visuals, voice and music. Add clean transitions, some text, and give it that final professional touch. And boom, your AI influencer video is complete. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to subscribe because the next video might change your entire content game.
Our strategy is designed to maximize efficiency across all departments, ensuring we meet our targets ahead of schedule. When you look the part, you feel the part. This suit gives me the confidence I need to close the deal.